Ready to unlock the power of Wati and supercharge your messaging automation. Then you'll need your unique Wati API key, and in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Wati website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you're inside, look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear, and click on it to access your account settings. Within the settings menu, you'll find the API keys option. Click on it to proceed. If you don't already have an API key generated, you'll see a button that says something like Generate API Key or Create New Key. Click on that button. A pop-up window might appear, asking you to confirm the creation of the key or add a description for it. This is useful if you plan on using multiple API keys for different integrations. Go ahead and confirm or add a description if you like. Congratulations, your API key is now generated. It will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy it immediately and store it in a secure location. Treat this key like a password, as it grants access to your Wati account's messaging capabilities. With your API key in hand, you are now ready to integrate Wati with your favorite applications and unlock seamless communication and automated workflows. That's it, you've successfully obtained your Wati API key. Now, go build something awesome. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wati tips and tricks.